Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you guys? I hope you are great. This is Vittal. Guys, if you are new in this video, please watch that previous video, then come to this video. Because of in previous video we have completed the all CRUD operations like creating and get all the users, get all the employees, get single employees. Like that we have covered the all things. In this video, just we are going to test our application. Okay, so let's get start without doing any late. Okay, just directly let me click right click on project, run as, just click Spring Boot. Yeah. Okay. So meanwhile, let me just explore the Spring Boot project. Let me open the employee controller. Okay. Okay. Yeah, guys, you can see Tomcat server started on 8001. Okay. If you are new in this video, please watch that previous video, because of in this video I'm not going to discuss all about CRUD operation. Just I'm going to test the all APIs. Okay. I hope you have installed Postman in your local system. Please open the Postman for testing the APIs. Okay. As we know, we have given the port number is 8001, right? /employee. If you see here in control class, when we hit the URL in Postman, right, that request coming to the control layer. Okay. In control layer, I have created the one API which is create employees. Create employees, and just I give the resource path is only /. If I want to hit this API, I need to use URL like http localhost 8001 /employee and / for creating the employees. Okay, this is what I just given here. Okay, http localhost 8001 /employee / okay. Then we need to give some data through Postman, that is employee entity. Just press Control, move cursor on that employee class, just click the open implementation. Yeah, this is the entity class, right? As we already discussed this class, we just give the employee name, that last name, that city. Okay, we have given these attributes in this class, right? So IDs we do not need to give ID, because of ID is auto incremented. That's why I used here at generated value, right? Yeah, you will get it now soon. Okay, now let me give the name, last name, and city. Okay, here, but here you should more concentration on that thing is this name, this, like whatever I give this field name, right? Field name, last name, city, right? These are must match with our entity class attributes. Okay, that is what I did. And after that you can give the any name. Okay, something. Okay, after that you can just send the request here. Okay, let me send it. I send the request. Yeah, now we got, right, one employee data is recorded in a database. Let me try to add another data. Okay, let me give my name here. Okay, something. Let me try to send the hit request. Once I send it, right, this request coming to the control layer. This request coming to the control layer, then it's going then it goes to the service layer. In service layer, it's talk with the database by repository. It will try to add the data, then it will return the this entity. Okay, whatever I just return this employee, right? This employee is returning. Okay, this is what we can see here, right? Suppose if I want to fetch the all employees in database, whatever we have data in database, right? I want to fetch the all data from database. That's why for that we have the another API for the get all employees. Okay, in that time what we can do, we have to use, this is common thing till here, it's common for all APIs. After that, if you want to create, we just use slash, then method should be post. Okay, for creating the resource we should use the post. In I'm talking about here. Okay, here we need to use the post method. If you want to get the employees from the database, we just need to use the get mapping. Here instead of post, if I use get right, if I use get right, in that time no need to give these things. Even if you remove, or you can just give as it is, because of this will only act as when we are using the put and post method, right? That time it's considered postman. Now it won't consider. Let me try to send the request to the API. See here, guys, we can see two data, right? Okay, suppose I have created the another API here for the getting the single employee by employee ID. Okay, I need to pass here ID, employee ID, and I am getting the single employee details. Let's call this API. For that, we have the like resource path is same till here, class level. After method level, we just need to give the ID in URL. Okay, if I give your ID number 2, if I send a request, okay, you can see here the employee number ID is 2, right? That person's details we can see, right? If I want to use something different ID here, okay, something not to, just let me use, actually however we have the only 2 data, right? Let me use now 1. Here we can see the, okay, ID number 1 details. Okay, now suppose I want to add something in this details. Okay, if you want to update, we should use the update method. Okay, this is what I created. I need to use put mapping, and I need to use the ID, employee ID. Okay, let's do this method. I want to, instead of Vittal, just I want something something. Okay, this is what I want to change the name. Okay, this is the first name, right? Okay, and here I need to use the put mapping, this put mapping, okay, to update the resource. If I send the request, you can see here first, here you can see the name something different, right? If I send the request now, right, here you can see the here you can see name got changed, right? This is the update method. Now it's called. Now yeah, if you want to update something city as well, right? Yes, you can. Let me do that as well. Instead of something, just use something. Okay, if I give city name is change, let me send the request to the update method. Now changes got reflected in database. Okay, now let me go to the last API. This is one delete API, delete mapping. If you want to delete employee by ID, we can call this method. For that, just use here delete mapping. Okay, and yeah, let me give the employee ID. Only I need to give the employee ID. Other rest of the till slash employee, right? This is common for all APIs. Only we need to use the method, HTTP method and employee ID. If I want to delete this record, okay, just send the request. Okay, employee has been deleted successfully. This message I am getting from this method. Okay, I'm passing here the return string method. Once the employee got deleted, you can just return this message. That is what I did here. Suppose, guys, here I want to delete the ID is not present in database something. Okay, if I send a request now, here of course I got the internal server error. If you see in console, right, we are going to see the some error. Okay, yeah, you can see here employee not found the ID number 123 like this. Okay, actually it is a not correct way, because of we should handle the proper exception handling. And even if I try to get the single user by this ID, right, just use the get mapping like this. If I try to send the request here, I'm getting here and same error. and here also you can see next error. I think I got the same error here. Employee not found with this ID. Okay. This is the not correct exception we are throwing. Okay. In from next video we will try to do proper exception handling. Okay. In that time, suppose in if I send the request in Postman if ID is not present in database, try to send the request. It should give the proper exception here. This ID is not present in database. Please try to use the different employee ID like this. I need the custom message in the response. Okay, that is what I want to do in the next video. Okay. Actually, the main motto of this video is just I wanted to test the all APIs, whether our APIs are working or not. Whatever we have written, all the APIs, right? That is what I just shown with you, guys. Okay, and yeah, in next video we can just try to handle the exception, custom exception, and global exception. Once exception finish, right? After that, we will try to use some response status. If you see here, yeah, if I try to get all right, here I can see the 200. Okay, right? Even if I try to uh, create one resource in database, let me give something new name. Okay, something. Okay, if I send the request, okay, even now also I got the 200. Okay, this is I don't want. I want like if I get the all employees in that time also you can only return the 200. Okay, if I create employee in database, you can just return here 201 created like that. Okay, yeah, these things will cover in upcoming videos, right? Now I think for today's I almost completed today's like what I wanted to share with you in this video. I hope guys you understood this video. If you like my video, please like and do subscribe, and do not forget to hit the bell icon and share with your friends. uh, Thank you guys, have a great day.